Alright, Animal. This is for you. Really, it is.
Alright, Zoey, this one's for you too.
Animal, you're disgusting. You need to be punished. Here's another one. How'd you like that, brother?
Oh yeah, Zoey, well I'm gonna do this one for you. Oh, that really good. It's just on my finger.
You're disgusting, Animal. Really? Well, you weren't afraid the hard way. Fine, you can do this game. I guarantee it. Sure. How is that?
Well, here you go, Zoey. Oh, how'd you like that one, Zoey?
You're disgusting. I'm delicate river. How could you? Even if you're on my brother.
Yeah, well, so what, Zoe? Here's a kiss for you.
Oh yeah, Animal. Well, here's one for you. How'd you like that?
There you go.
Yeah. How'd you like that one?
Oh yeah, I can do one of them.
That wasn't what I did. You can't.
Oh yeah, here comes one for you. How'd you like that?
Oh yeah, well I can do you too.
Well, I don't think it was me.
No, I'm teaching you how to do a proper fart.
Yeah, well, with Mom not around, we can talk about farts.
Yes, I know. They're fun to do, but I'm dainty and delicate. So don't tell anybody I was farting.
Yeah, well, even I have farts that I can't control at times, you know. Ooh, that was a good one.
Well, we all know that farts are good to sniff. You know, we could try rolling on each other's butts so we smell better. I mean, Mom would say it was stinky. But, you know, that's just her problem, not ours. Right?
Well, yeah, I guess. Oh, I feel better.
Yes, I'm sure you do. I don't want anybody to know. Oh, I can't help it. No! How do you spell relief?
I spell relief. That's how I spell relief. Oh, I feel better now.
Oh, I'm so dainty and delicate. Don't let anybody know that I was the one that farted, okay? Because if you tell everybody I farted, I won't know what to do about it. No. I mean, after all, I'm a delicate woo-woo. So delicate.
Yeah, Zoe, you're delicate, alright. Delicate as a spring fart in a toilet bowl.
Oh, I'm not talking to you anymore. Rude, you call me a spring fart in a toilet bowl.
How about a spring fart from out my butt? How'd you like that one?
Oh, it's terrible. I don't know what to do.
Zoe, Zoe smells like a spring fart in a toilet.
Animal, I'm not talking to you anymore. No, not anymore.
Bye-bye. Yay, I got to cheer to myself. Farting fun.